Hey everybody, welcome back. Thanks for joining us. We're here at the last race of the year at Marysville Raceway. Looking forward to a good night. I'd be lying if I said I wasn't nervous. We got a pretty big lead in the championship, but being the last race, we got to take the green for the main event tonight to clinch. And we won the championship here last year and the year before, and then this year we just went for the Placer title, got second in points, and then been running this tour. Cars are starting to pile in. Hot laps all complete. I think we're like 7th out of 13 cars, 14 cars, something like that. Wasn't really pushing the issue, and then I had a slower car. I was not worth it. I have the heat race on hot laps I need to get through tonight. One is checked off, so we got the heat race coming up here. I start 5th, so what I call the pigeonhole, where people spin out and you're kind of screwed there. So I might take it a little easy in the heat race, but it should be rolling off here soon. And I just got to start the main event tonight, so I got to get through that heat race. So cross your fingers for me. Hey, you know you're in heat 2, right? Huh? You're in heat 2. Who? I'm in heat 2? Oliver from the Guinness race car body, the big box transport is Chris McGinnis. going on. Rob broke apart and got on the wall, but we won our heat race. I was not expecting. I was just going to just drive nice and safe, but went through out there. I got to second, and I knew I was closing down the leader, so I gave it everything I could. And then we went over there, and old Jimmy Wall, he's famous for drawing pills, whether they're good or bad, but he drew us a 1, so we start on the pole for the main event, last race of the season. And I think that gave us a 4-point advantage over the 96 McKelly in that heat race, and so we clinched the championship. We're up by like 57, and it's 55 to win the main event. So I'm pretty stoked right now. So we're gonna go have some fun and hopefully have a good night. Oh, we gotta what?
Clean the cameras off because I sprayed.
Oh, yeah, we gotta clean the cameras off. So car is all ready to go. Glenn sprayed it down with his famous shine spray. Basically keeps the mud off, but it's expensive, so we'll keep letting him buy it. Anyway, we're up next. We go to staging here in about a minute. Good to have all my family here tonight, and who else do we want to thank? I think Dennis, the A-Heart, the car owner, his wife, my wife, Glenn, everybody that supports us, Jackson Construction, for helping us roll out all year, and that's about it. Hey, ready for a jam around? We're winning. Started on the pole, thank goodness. That track was pretty much one lane, but just trying to hug the bottom. I don't know how big of a lead I had or anything like that, so pretty happy. We started up front, just protected. I felt a nudge there with like 2 to go, but hang on, got the win here at Marysville, so that was pretty exciting. Anyway, if you can, hit that subscribe button, like this video if you can. We're going to be tearing this car down over the winter. I'll bring you guys along, put a new body on, and everything like that. So anyway, I appreciate you guys following along, and we're going to load up the car here, head home, and we'll see you next time. All right, this idiot wants to be in the video. What do you have to say? How was your night?
Wasn't as good as yours.
Well, don't drive in the wall.
When the car breaks, you stick it in the wall sometimes.
All right. On that note, we'll see you next time.
All right.